tiny, furry, and flying through the night. What's the deal with sugar gliders? They're not birds or squirrels. These little marsupials come from Australia and glide using skin flaps called patagium. Sugar gliders are super social and love living in groups. Alone, they can get depressed. Their name comes from their love of sugary tree sap and fruit. Yes, these cuties have a real sweet tooth. Weird, wild, and adorable. Sugar gliders prove that some of the coolest animals come in small soaring packages.